This year, I'm hoping to get that workshop out in June. But as a member in the CAYA Sangha, there's a level of membership called the Sangha Scholars. That membership and above gives you complete and total access to all of my workshops. I did this on purpose. I sell my workshops externally. Some are 15, 20 bucks. Some are $1,000 or more. I have bigger workshops that will be coming out that will be thousands of dollars. If you are a monthly subscriber at the Sangha Scholar level or above, you get lifetime access, as long as you are a member, to all of my workshops. That's a value of hundreds or thousands of dollars, depending on how deep and how many workshops you want to take. Awesome. Thank you, Josephine. If you don't follow me anywhere else, follow me on YouTube, because that's the one place where I can at least store stuff and the one place